The way that we shoot action and travel content might be about to change forever. Let's talk about the DJI AVATA 360. The AVATA 360 has officially launched in China on the 26th of March and it's already available for order here in the UK directly from their DJI website. The AVATA 360 starts at £409 or €479 with free shipping, and the top configuration is available for £829 or €969. DJI has been sharing plenty of marketing materials, and I have to say, this drone looks seriously exciting. So what you're getting is a true 8K flagship 360 degrees drone at an entry-level price. I've watched the sample footage and honestly, the visuals look incredible. The visual quality looks amazing, the footage is super clear, and the panoramic views feel immersive and really fun to watch. I personally love this perspective. It makes the content much more engaging. The way that the drone moves through space really gives you that true 360 drone feeling, almost like you're flying right inside the scene. Another thing that really stood out to me is how close the drone gets to the objects in the sample footage. It actually looks surprisingly safe for close range shots, and that could open up a lot more creative possibilities for content creators. And from the way DJI presents these shots, it really feels like this drone could offer much more flexibility in post-production too, especially if you want more freedom to reframe your footage and build more dynamic edits afterwards. Whether you are a pro or an amateur, you will feel confident piloting this thanks to features like the omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the integrated propeller guard, which should make flying in tighter environments much more manageable. Now let's talk about the specs, since everyone is paying attention to these. Officially, DJI has already positioned the DJI AVATA 360 as an 8K flagship 360 degrees drone, and that alone is a huge statement. The drone features dual 1-inch flagship imaging with 8K 60 frames per second HDR video, which would help explain why the footage in the sample footage looks so sharp, so clear, and so cinematic. This could potentially deliver some of the best image quality we've ever seen from a 360 drone. You can capture in 360 degrees and single lens modes, meaning content creators can capture full immersive environments or switch to a more traditional flat video depending on the project. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing and one-lux nightlight obstacle avoidance assists you with overall control of the drone, so you're feeling confident no matter what shot you are going for. Another key feature of the AVATA 360 is the DJI O4 Plus Full HD video transmission, and this provides you with a stable, low latency connection for responsive control and real-life preview of your footage, resulting in even more confidence during flights. For creators, this means more freedom when shooting cinematic tracking shots, action scenes, and outdoor travel content. And speaking personally, I would absolutely love to use something like this for filming cinematic sequences for YouTube. Given the current market, some people are predicting that the launch price might actually be the lowest price we'll see, because component costs, especially memory, could increase later, which might push the price higher over time. So if you are already thinking about getting into the 360 drone space, the launch price could end up being the best opportunity to jump in. Imagine capturing smooth tracking shots, dynamic travel footage, and full immersive environments all from a single drone. The DJI AVATA 360 is easily one of the most exciting drones of the year, especially for content creators who want cinematic shots, immersive storytelling, and more creative freedom. After watching the sample footage, I'm honestly even more curious to see what creators will be able to do with this.